Hey guys, and welcome to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can chat on Valorant, so like message people on Valorant. I did not know how to do this for like a second there, and I've been just accidentally sending messages on notes. Like, that was not great, but you're just going to press enter on your keyboard, and then you are so if you're in a party, you can just basically send it in like a party. But if you want to send it to all, that means to your opponent, you're just going to press shift enter. But I'm not in a game right now, but you're just going to press shift and then enter, and then it will send it. It will say all instead of party, as you can see on the bottom left corner. And then if you want to chat with just like one person in your team, just press tab and enter a username, and then enter your friend's nickname, and then you can send it right there. And it'll say like whisper to Nakisoba in my case. But that is basically how you can send messages in Valorant. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!